Everyone has the power to change. Becoming the best version of yourself starts with an identity shift. This means changing how you see yourself and how you act every day. First, understand who you are now. What are your habits? What are your thoughts about yourself? Many people get stuck because they believe they cannot change. This is just a story in the mind, not the truth. Next, decide who you want to become. Imagine your best self. How do they think? How do they act? What habits do they have? This vision is your new identity. Then, start small. Change one habit at a time. For example, if your best self reads every day, begin with just 5 minutes. Small actions create big changes over time. Also, pay attention to your thoughts. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I am learning." Your thoughts shape your identity. Surround yourself with people who support your growth. Positive friends encourage you and help you stay focused. Avoid those who pull you down. Remember, identity shift is not instant. It takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins every day. Finally, act like your best self now. Surround yourself, support your growth, positive friends. Avoid those who pull you down. Identity shift, not instant, takes time and effort. Celebrate small wins, be patient. Act like your best self now. Even if it feels strange at first, doing things your future self would do helps make the change real. To sum up, becoming the best version of you means changing your identity. Know who you are, imagine who you want to be, change your habits and thoughts, and act like your best self every day. Start today. Your best self is waiting.